Welcome students, welcome to my channel. In today's lecture, I will discuss question number 7 and 8 of exercise 1.3. In question number 7, the examiner is saying find x, y, z and w. These are variables, and what are variables we will discuss later. If 3 times of this matrix equals to the sum of these two matrices. So we have to solve this. 3 will be multiplied with each and every element 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w, and the corresponding elements will be added: x plus 4, 6 plus x plus y, negative 1 plus 3 plus w, 2w plus 3. So these, if you know that these two matrices are equal, if two matrices are equal, the corresponding elements are also equal. Corresponding elements means this first element is equal to this, second is equal to second, third equals to third, and fourth equals to fourth. So if you see here, or look at here, the first element is 3x, this will be equal to x plus 4. Second element 3y equals to 6 plus x plus y. 3z equals to negative 1 plus 3 plus w. 3w equals to 2w plus 3. Now if you look at here, this 3x, and I shift this x from right hand side to left hand side, it will be converted into negative x equals to 4. 3x minus x is 2x equals to 4, and this 2 is in multiply with x here. So if I shift it here right hand side, it will be in divisible form, 4 by 2, and 4 by 2 is 2, so the solution of x is 2. Now if you look at the second term, 3y is equal to 6 plus x plus y. I shift this y from right hand side to left hand side, it will be 3y minus y equals to 6 plus x. What is x? X is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, and if we shift this 2, it will be in divisible form. 8 by 2 is 4. Now if you look at here, 3z equals to minus 1 plus 3 plus w. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2, and 3z equals to 2 plus w. Now we don't know what the value of w, so we have to solve this first. If I shift this 2w here, this will be 3w minus 2w equals to 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1w is 3. So the answer of w is 3. If I put the value in here, of value of w here, the solution will be 3z is equal to 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5, and this 3 will be divisible. If we shift it, z equals to 5 by 3. So the answers are x equals to 2, y equal to 4, z equal to 5 by 3, and w equal to 3. In today's last topic or question is question number 8. And in question, the examiner is saying find x and y. You have to find out the value of x and y. The values will be in matrix form. If x plus y equals to this matrix and y, x minus y is this matrix, these both are 2 cross 2 matrices, and the values are 5, 2, 0, 9, 3, 6, 0, minus 1. I will name these two matrices as equation 1 and 2. Now what we will do here, we have to find out x and y, so we will use we will simplify this. If you see here, we have two variables in equations x and y, so we have to eliminate one variable. If we want to eliminate x, we will subtract the both two equations, and if you want to eliminate y, we have to add both two equations. If you look at here, if I will add these two equations, what we will get, equation 1 is x plus y, and equation 2 is x minus y. Now at the left hand side we will write the variables, and on the right hand side we will write the matrices. Right hand side will be added with right hand side, and left hand side will be added to left hand side. So x plus y plus x minus y equals to these two matrices. So if I open the brackets, This is x plus y. And if you look at here, this is plus sign. So plus sign, if you multiply plus within brackets, the sign will never change. And if you multiply negative sign into bracket, the sign will be changed. If you look at here, x plus y plus, this will be x and this will be minus y, because plus into plus is plus and plus into minus is minus. Equals to, corresponding elements will be added: 5 plus 3, 2 plus 6, 0 plus 0, 9 plus minus 1. Y and negative y will be subtracted, these will be eliminated, and x plus x is 2x. 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0, and plus minus is minus 1, so 9 minus 1. And 9 minus 1 is also 8. Now we have to find out x. So we will shift this 2, this will be converted into 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2 will be multiplied with each and every element. 8 by 2, 8 by 2, 0 by 2, 8 by 2. So the solution of x is 4404. And if we subtract equation 1 with equation 2, what we will get? X plus y minus x minus y, matrix first and matrix second. Now if you look at here, this negative sign will change the sign inside the brackets, because this minus will be multiplied with positive sign and negative sign. So 5 minus 3, 2 minus 6, 0 minus 0, 9 minus minus 1. X plus y minus x plus minus minus x minus minus plus y equals to 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 minus 6 is 6 minus 2 4, and sign will be with that sign related to larger number, negative 4. 0 minus 0 is 0, minus minus plus, 9 plus 1. Y plus y is 2y, 2, negative 4, 0, and 10. We have to find out the value of y. So we will shift this 2, which will be 1 by 2. And this 1 by 2 will be multiplied with each and every element: 2 by 2, negative 4 by 2, 0 by 2, 10 by 2. And 10 by 2 is 5, negative 2, 1, and 0 by 2 is 0. So in this we have to find out. We simplify the solution of x and we simplify the solution of y. In next lecture I will discuss further questions of this exercise. Hope you enjoy this lecture. Please share it, subscribe my channel, and like my videos. Thanks.